Hey guys, this is Hart, and today I'm going to show you how to make this effect in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. So open up Photoshop. You will need a pic like this. This was shot on a mobile camera. So let's cut out the subject. I'm gonna give it a background. For this, a simple background will be fine. Let's start working on the effect. For that, I used a PNG of the fire, drag it to the subject and put it right above the lighter, so it looks like the fire is coming from the lighter. I adjusted the color a little bit. After that, I imported another PNG of this spaceship. Then I made a copy of the fire and put it above the other so it looks bigger. And then made two more copies and put it on those things. And as we all know, if there's fire, there are sparks. So I put in the sparks. After all that, I created highlights. And then, to make the pic look more interesting and cool, I put a moon in the background. And then added a little bit of glow. Now the moonlight is coming from the background, so we need to make more highlights. After that, I put some blur on the image for some depth. And we're done. Last thing I do is to select all the layers and group them together. Then I make a copy of the group, shortkey Ctrl+J. Then convert the group into a smart object. You can also rasterize it. This way you have more control. If you want to change something, you can come back anytime. Last thing you need to do is put a camera raw filter in it or use Lightroom. I used the same concept and created another image. You can create many amazing pics by using just one concept. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys like the concept. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.